Welcome to Aiden Show. I'm Aiden. Hi.
What are we going to do on the Aiden Show today, Aiden?
I'm going...
Is this going to be a Halloween episode?
It's going to be about... Yep, it's going to be ghosts.
Ghosts? Okay, so what are we going to talk about the ghosts?
I have a little baby. Ghosts were in my bushes.
Ghosts were in your bushes? Really?
And I put...
What was that, Aiden?
A bat.
A bat? You want to show the crowd the bat?
Ghosts.
Ghosts?
What? Happy Halloween. Bye. Thanks for watching.